President Obama will announce his nominees for the federal appeals court in Washington this morning. But what's interesting is it could lead to a new fight with Republicans who say the court doesn't need more judges. Major Garrett is at the White House. Major, good morning.
Well, good morning, Nora and Charlie. President Obama is going to do something in about 3 hours he's never done before in his presidency, hold an event to talk about nominees to a federal appeals court. And not just any court. As you mentioned, Nora, this D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals, the second most powerful court in the land, one that deals with regulatory policy, dealing with health care, environment, communications, also sometimes wander in the dense thicket of legal matters dealing with national security and intelligence. And the three nominees the president is going to send to the Senate are as follows. Patricia Ann Millett. She is an appeals lawyer who worked with President Clinton and President George W. Bush. Cornelia Pillard, who is a Georgetown University law professor, and Robert Wilkins, who is currently a judge on the D.C. Circuit Court bench. Now, you might ask yourself, one court, three nominees, why? Well, because there are three vacancies, and right now the court has 8 judges, 4 appointed by Republicans, 4 by Democrats. The president wants to tilt the balance of this court in his favor because as those regulatory matters in the future come before the court, he wants to have a better than even chance to win. Republicans will resist this, and if they resist too much, the Senate might change the rules on the way all Senate nominees are handled, which this means this battle could have an effect not just on this court, but every court in the land.